In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to remove the Hostinger Coming Soon page in a few simple steps, ensuring your website visitors see your site rather than a placeholder. Whether you're launching a new project or updating an existing one, being able to navigate your hosting platform is essential. Let's dive right in and get your website up and running smoothly. First, we need to start by logging into your Hostinger account. Head over to the Hostinger website and log in using your credentials. Once you've logged in, you'll find yourself on the Hostinger dashboard. This is the control hub for your hosting plans, and from here, you can manage all aspects of your website with ease. Now that you're in, look for the Websites section. Clicking on this will take you to a page listing all your websites hosted under this account. Here, you'll find the website where you want to remove the Coming Soon page. Next, you need to select the relevant website by clicking on the Dashboard button associated with it. This takes you into a more detailed management interface for your specific website, where you can access all necessary tools to modify and configure your website settings. Once you're on the website dashboard, you'll find an option labeled Edit Website. Go ahead and click this. This action opens up the Website Builder interface. It's a powerful tool that allows you to customize and set up your website visually with various widgets, configurations, and design elements at your fingertips. Now it's time to complete any remaining setup options that Hostinger prompts you to do. This might include checking through your site settings or ensuring that essential configurations are in place for your pages to work correctly. Finally, after reviewing your settings and ensuring everything looks good, look for and click on the Update Website button. This important step ensures all changes you've made, including removing that Coming Soon page, are saved and reflected on your live site. It might take a few moments for the update to process, but once complete, visitors to your domain will see your website as intended without the Hostinger Coming Soon page. And there you have it. With these straightforward steps, you've successfully removed the Coming Soon page from your Hostinger website. Now, anyone visiting your site will be greeted with your content. Keep this guide handy for future reference, and if you have any questions, feel free to leave them in the comments below. Thank you for watching, and don't forget to like and subscribe for more helpful tutorials.